Good morning, students. I am Hitu, PGT English from Suraj School, Rewari. Today, we will discuss your next poem. The name of your next poem is Childhood, written by Marcus Nathan. In this poem, the poet is obsessed with the loss of his childhood. Loss of childhood and stepping into the world of adults was a gradual process. The poem describes the growth of individuality, rationality, and the ability to see through the hypocrisy of the grown ups. They were the gradual steps and lead to the loss of childhood and its innocence. Now, let's discuss your poem. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be living? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? It means that the poet reflects and tries to know the day he lost his childhood. He makes a guess. Perhaps he ceased to be a child when he completed 11 years. Or perhaps he was no more a child when he came to know that hell and heaven are imaginary concepts. Hence, they do not exist anywhere, not even in the books of geography. Was that the day when he lost his childhood? The next stanza is, when did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? It means that again the poet puts the same question. He wants to know the day when he was no more a child. Perhaps it was the day when he realized that the grown-ups uh, the grown-ups were not exactly as good as they appeared to be. They frequently talked and taught of love, but in the actions they proved just the opposite and showed little love. Was that the day when he lost his childhood? The next stanza is, when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? That was the day. Again, the poet goes on repeating the same question. He wants to know the day and time when he lost his childhood. Perhaps it was the day when he realized that his mind was really his own. He could use his mind the way he liked to choose. He could think independently, and his thoughts were not of other people but of his own and his own alone. Perhaps that was the day when he lost his childhood. The next or the last stanza of this poem is, where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that is hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. It means that The poet is eager to know when he lost his childhood. He makes a guess. Perhaps his childhood has gone to a place which has been forgotten. All that he remembers is that perhaps his childhood is lying hidden in the innocent face of an infant. That's the explanation of your poem number 4, Childhood, written by Marcus Nathan. I hope it will help you to understand the poem. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.